What is up? It is your boy Chris Colgan with the world's worst sneaker reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jordan 3 Maniéres. Yes, I said it right. All right, what is up? You know, these shoes keep getting delayed. I don't know what's going on. They got delayed again. They'll be dropping next week on a raffle on their website. They did an early release for women's only. This is the box. It is actually very nice. I usually make fun of shoes and stuff like that. This is probably the nicest pair of Air Jordans I've seen in a long time, at least Jordan 3s. I'm not a big Jordan 3 person. Not that who would really care what the hell I'm into, but this thing comes out like this. It's got a nice sleeve on it. There's the box. Now, your typical sneaker reviewer, what they do is like, I don't get excited like that. You know what I mean? I've already seen the damn shoe, and I'm sure they have too. So there's the box. You're gonna open it up. Now, this is a nice shoe right here. If I was gonna do a review, if I was gonna be a YouTuber, I would definitely get me a pair of these. But these things right here are so nice, you do not wear these suckers around. I can tell you that much. They got second pair of laces on here with the work harder in there. They got this crazy nylon. It looks like I just got out of a damn stealth bomber seat. I don't know what is going on there. Whoever made this shoe, I don't know the guy's name, they are gonna get mad props from me because this thing is ridiculous. You go to the back tab here, they all have all these sayings. We're gonna show you some clips because I know you guys love those clips. Right here, you have to get comfortable to walk alone. These were obviously designed for women. They had the first shot, first review. We all know, as I've said before, women are the future of sneakers. Everyone knows that, Jordan knows that. These shoes right here, I think they're retailing for about $225. You're gonna only be able to get them, again, on the raffle on their website. They're gonna have some other clothing as well. The biggest thing with these is these are gonna be collector's items, I can already tell. I mean, looking at this shoe, the quality of it, this is definitely how a shoe should be made, especially a Jordan. This is not like some crappy shoe that was just randomly put out. This one was hard to track down. A lot of people had it way before me, which is fine, that happens, but you know, this was a hard shoe to get. I think in the aftermarket, you're looking at like $1,000+ for this bad boy. So I had my boy Z Sneakerhead over. He was looking at them. We were talking about it. These things right here, like they're a work of art. Like I can't imagine, you know what, you wear them, that's fine. I'm not wearing mine. I'm actually just gonna keep them, hold on to them, display them. I may get my boy Mark to paint Michael Jordan on there somewhere for me. So, again, my boy Bobby, he's showing you guys some footage of the shoe as I talk. Guys, look, I'm not gonna sit here and ramble on for 10 minutes to make more money from YouTube because I don't make any money doing this. We do it for fun. Okay, so go to my Instagram at Chris Colgan to get more information about this sneaker and to see me riff on everybody and make fun of sneaker resellers and make fun of myself and make fun of everybody, but I will give them props. Definitely one of the nicest shoes I've seen in a long time. Bobby, he knows nothing about shoes, literally sends me videos that say black tennis shoe with that, and that's all it says, was like, damn, those shoes are nice. I was like, I know, bro, these are probably the first shoes that have actually like blown you away. So I'm a Maniére. I will give you guys mad props. Jordan, I will give you guys mad props. As the world's worst sneaker review channel, we give this an A+++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++ I'm not the man. I'm not gonna wear this around. If somebody stepped on this shoe, I'd probably stab their ass. I'm not gonna lie. So if you guys like the video, comment below, subscribe. If you don't like it, what do I care? We're gonna bleep that out anyways. We'll see you at the top or from the top, and I hope you enjoyed all this extra footage and over-the-top footage we put in here, because I know you guys love that footage. Guys, I gotta go. I got shit to do. I got a job. I don't live in my basement like most of these other people that sit on YouTube all day, so I will see you later.